Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kadama Find a Tutor app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Kadama is an online tutoring app designed to help students find quick, affordable academic help across a wide range of subjects. The platform connects learners with tutors for homework support, test preparation, and step-by-step explanations. It's available on both iOS and Android, and many users rely on it for fast answers and guidance when studying. The app's main feature is its on-demand tutoring model. Students post a task or question, set a price, and tutors respond with offers. Kadama also includes categories for math, science, languages, test prep, and more. Users can chat with tutors, review profiles, and choose helpers based on ratings and experience. For many students, the biggest benefit is the speed. Responses often come within minutes. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Kadama's quick response times, affordable pricing options, and tutor variety. It's popular among high school and college students who need last-minute help or simple explanations. The interface is straightforward, and the ability to choose your tutor adds flexibility. However, there are some drawbacks. Tutor quality can vary widely, and more complex subjects may require higher bids to get reliable help. Some users report incomplete explanations or delayed responses during peak times. Additionally, the app charges service fees, and users must be cautious when selecting tutors to ensure good results. In summary, the Kadama app may be worth using if you want fast, flexible, and affordable tutoring help for homework, basic questions, or exam prep. However, if you prefer structured lessons, guaranteed tutor quality, or long-term study support, it might not be the best option for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.